Alright, now for the final part of this dishwasher install. I need a ground wire. Now, nothing in the electrical in this area has a ground to it. Now, I have been trying to use a dishwasher for the last month or so. If you haven't noticed why the beard is much longer. I mean, when you try to use the dishwasher, it will start, but then it starts blinking lights and then it flashes and it throws codes and it laughs at you in your face and says
you're not gonna have clean dishes for tomorrow morning. Breakfast and coffee.
Sorry. Alright. Anyways, so this will solve that issue. I'm gonna take this off. I have been avoiding this project like the plague. You have no idea. But it has to be done. I think I'm gonna use this number 9. So this is number 9 for the dishwasher. And then I'll be able to write that down right here so that I know where it is at all times if anything was ever to go wrong. I'm gonna run the wire up and over all the way down to that side of the basement, which is where the dishwasher is. I'm gonna run a new line. That's some 12-2, 3-strand. I hope I said that right. It's yellow and it says 12-2 and there's 3 wires. That has to mean what I said, right? I guess I'll just start. I don't want to touch anything. Yeah. So as I was saying, breakers, don't touch that. So it ended up bothering me so much of the nasty edges that I went and kind of just took a little bit off of both of them. They're still not great, but they're better. Plus it also helps, I wanted to make it slightly shorter on the wood side because I'm going to put the adjusting leveling feet at the bottom. So I gave myself an inch or so of that. So now what I'm going to do is just make the box. Alright, let me find my screws and drills and we'll get going. I'm using this little Craig tool, which is amazing. It's a little pocket hole, and I really like it. I had the single one before, and then I moved up to the double. Later, I'll move up to the little, what is that deal? It sits up here, and you clamp it down, and everything's there. It's nice. That just seems to be the logical progression, because I do like making boxes and cabinets and stuff. So someday soon, maybe that'll be an unboxing video. It's be a very short one because it's a very small box. Who knows? Hey Craig, how about you sending me one of those things? That'd be fantastic. Okay. Hey, thanks for joining me for this dishwasher saga, which is now at its final closing. I appreciate you watching till the end, and well, let's get ready for new projects. They're coming up. Okay, bye.